直击美军的训场可以看到相当的逼真，不仅有医院、宗教场所、市场，尽可能贴近真实状况。要贴近实况有多逼真？走进这城镇内的设施。 有黑板，有假人小孩，有桌椅，这里是学校。有趣的是，墙上都是韩文标语。走进另一间，要换病床，看来这里是医院。美军的限制空间、战斗训场，还有这设计。 时不时会听到哭声、尖叫声，有时会换成闹区的声音，都是透过场内的喇叭来传送。美军也有安排临演，让来演训的官兵尽可能感受一座城市内的真实面貌。
How do ground forces approach complex urban areas when they're conducting operations? So, in addition to that, a number of classes on jungle survival and some patrolling skills as well.
华泰军演第4天，美军陆战队扮演红军，也就是所谓的坏人，让训练 CQB 的斯里兰卡、菲律宾和秘鲁陆战队来挑战。 分批上阵只是第一次冲进去，被躲在高处的美军狙击手团灭。接下来再试一次。4人1小组似乎找到诀窍，透过手语传达指令，顺利攻坚。虽然是空包弹训练，但训场环境贴近实战，现场也有无人机全程侦查。
That we classify them into different sizes and altitudes that they can operate at, but some of the smaller ones that are similar to quadcopters, they have the ability to provide video surveillance and detection and whatnot, are all capabilities that are now resident within the Marine Corps Infantry and provides us a really capable edge as we continue to evolve.
连续几天在训场演练，各国陆战队亚拼成为进阶版的 CQB 种子，将知识带回去传授。TVBS 新闻主管刘婷下午报道。
想看最完整的新闻内容，记得下载 TVBS 新闻网 APP。